In this video, I'm going to introduce to you a new method of spreading your products online throughout the internet, whether it be in affiliate marketing, whether you have a personal product that you have created and that you want to sell. This method is easy. I'm going to walk you through the steps of promoting your products online. It's also international, so wherever you might be on earth, keep in mind that you can do this without much restriction. Hi, my name is Marlon McLeod, and you are on this amazing platform of Freedom Guider, the place that we focus on having the correct mindset, various marketing techniques, motivational speeches, and ways of making cash online. So if you're new to this amazing platform, do not forget to subscribe, hit all notifications, and also comment below so you can go into the giveaway. Please stick with me right through the video so I can walk you through the steps of using this platform that you can make about, say, $100 per day if implemented the correct way. So let's go over to my computer where I walk you through the steps. Let's go. Now that we're on my computer, I would love to request that you come over and have a look at the 416 videos which I have created. These videos ranges from making cash online through various social media platforms for free and paid. So come over, have a look at the videos. If you have any question for me, I'm here to assist you. Furthermore, go to the first link in the description if you want to know another method of making a full-time income. And also, guys, please don't download my ebook, which is below in the description. So today, guys, this method of promoting your products online can be used for any social media affiliate platform. Say, for example, if you choose to come over here and get products from, say, ClickBank Digistore or Affiliate Junction, any platform affiliate marketing, you can get products from here. You can promote it through the method which I'm going to show you. Now, this method is using a platform which my mentor has just taught me today. Is called Likey. Likey is just a growing social media platform where you can get awesome amount of views for your products online. Now, before we go over to the product itself, or the platform to be specific, I'm going to take you over to a social media analysis platform by the name of SimilarWeb. Now, this gives you the reading, the data of what traffic sources are like on various social media platforms and various internet platforms in general. So when I typed in Likee.Videos, this is what I got. Now, this, based on what I'm seeing, is still new. It had, say, about 14 million traffic in August of 2020. Then it dropped between September and October. Then it rose awesomely to about 20 million views, traffic within this period. It rose, guys. So the platform is still a bit new, and I would highly recommend that you go and you create an account and start promoting your products on this platform. Now, when we go further down, we can see where the traffic say are coming from. So this, say we have 20% from Russia, United States 15%, which is great. Not bad. If we go further down, we can see direct referrals. Great. Now let's go over to the platform. And again, it's called Likee.Video, and this is the platform. Now, on this platform, you have various niche, guys, and this platform goes by the recognition of numbers like this. It's not really about the names, but basically the numbers. So you're going to see at and the number of this person. Now, you have various niches on this platform where you can go and you can start promoting your products on them. So I'm just going to scroll through. Now, this seems to be the funny niche where you can do videos. Now, guys, I would suggest that you be very creative. You upload videos that you have created in order to avoid any copyright flagging that can become in the future of just taking other people's product. And this is the platform. Now, we can go deeper, Now, you're going to create a platform similar to this, and you're going to promote the products or things which are related to the product. So say that we're looking in the niche of luxury. You can come over, create a platform like this. Then what you're going to do, guys, you're going to go with Instagram, and you're going to link your Instagram account with that niche. Try to be consistent in that specific niche. So if you're promoting on this platform things which are related to luxury, you're going to come over to Instagram and you're going to link your account. Now, guys, if you can see on the left here, it says Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and this acronym. I don't know what this acronyms mean, but it's a platform that you can link with it. So you can get free traffic from here, guys. But guys, you have to be consistent. You have to be uploading videos on a daily basis. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to link your Instagram account, which is related to your account on, say, Likey videos. And as you can see, I've typed in luxury lifestyle, which you can come and create an account similar to them. Now, look, guys, these people are promoting, say, cars, villas, swimming pools on this platform of their Instagram account. They have over 215,000 followers, which is great. This will take time, guys, but you have to be consistent. You have to put your energy. You have to have a timetable of what you hope to do and must do on a daily basis. You have to prioritize, guys. Guys, if you're getting value so far, please subscribe, smash a like, and comment below. Value. I love to see your comments below. And I take my time to read through every comment and respond to them as best as possible. So I went further, guys, and I came across this YouTuber who has also a Likee.Video account. I was only able to find it in a few minutes ago, but he's famous on, say, YouTube, Instagram, and also Likee.Videos.com. Now, this is one of the platforms that he is on, and I think he's a mentor, a fitness mentor, where he is working in the back of his yard. Now, apparently he's from India, which is great, and he's linking. Now, guys, what happened? He's driving traffic from his Instagram account over to his YouTube channel, which we have just saw here. Now, if we were to go deeper and say, okay, we want to put an affiliate link or a link to a website, you can do that. But I would say that you have say your landing page here where you capture people's email address. I wouldn't put my YouTube channel here in this video or on this platform, except if I have another, say, Instagram account where I can put a landing page, because at the end of the day, guys, we need to have someone buying products. So this is it. So if you choose to create a, say, Likee.Video place where you're promoting luxury products, you can come over to a site by the name of Pixels.com. Now, Pixels.com is royalty free, where you can get free image that you can upload without any repercussions on it. So you're going to come over to this platform. The name is Pixels.com, and you can get a lot of things which you can reuse royalty free, guys. No problem. Even some of my YouTube videos, I use clips from here and videos. If I were to go over to the video section, guys, you'll just see amazing things. This is a luxury life. Oh, guys, if you like luxury life, please smash a like and right below. I love luxury life. And what you can do, you can reuse these in your Instagram accounts, and most importantly, your Likey videos platform. Come over and use them. Now, if you choose to create a Likey platform in the niche of fitness, you can come over to fitness pixels.com, and you can go through and find, say, videos or pictures that are related to fitness. Come over here and you can download this and you can upload it to your video Likee.Video platform. It's great. Now I also went deeper, guys, and I found, the platform where people are just smashing it, and it's a dog niche. Now, this person has an Instagram account where he has, say, 4.9 million followers, which is great. You can do the same, but it will take some time, guys. Now, what I did, I went over to Likee.Video, and I found someone in the same niche, guys. Oh, guys, there's so much ways to make cash online. So you have to be patient in the effort, and you have to work on a daily basis. And of course, guys, my mentor is giving me a lot of information, and because I'm a nice guy, I'm just spraying that information to all your beautiful eyes. So this is another platform, and look at this, guys. Fans say about 383,000. The likes say 500,000 likes, which is great. And they're just speaking about dogs here. The dog is just someone is talking over the dog and so forth, and people are loving this. This has received, say, 85,000 likes, 53,000 likes, which is great. let's go up. So guys, you're going to come over and you're going to create a platform like this, upload videos that you have created, or you can come over to pixels.com. Now, if you choose to create a portfolio like this one, and you choose to use other people's videos, which I do not recommend, you can do it because I've seen people do it and they have a lot of followers at the end. You can come over to TikTok, guys, and let me just show you. You can come over to TikTok and you can download videos from TikTok and re-upload them to this platform where they will remove the TikTok watermark. So guys, come over and you can again download it from TikTok, come over, upload it here, and remove the watermarks from people's videos, which is a suggestion. I don't really encourage it because it can have various repercussions. So guys, here, this is my Instagram account, and please follow me on Instagram, like my videos, see what I'm doing, and I have various Instagram accounts. This was just one of the Instagram accounts that I have, where I'm just promoting things related to making cash online, motivational speeches, and much more things. So come over. Now, regarding putting your links in, say your Likey videos, I didn't find a section where you can put a link. What you're gonna do, guys, you're gonna link your Likey video account with, say, Instagram or your Twitter or your YouTube platform that you drive traffic from various angles. Again, it's free. So you're going to come over. Now, when you're on your Instagram account, guys, I would suggest that you have a link here, and this should be your landing page. I've created a video where I walk you through the process in creating a landing page through Aweber, and I'll leave a link to that video in the description or in the comments. So have a look at the end of the video on creating a landing page. A landing page is just a platform that allows you to capture people's email address so you can do online marketing email campaigns to them on a daily basis. So you're going to come over and you're going to put their landing page, or you can put the link to a Linktree account which you have created. Now, Linktree is also an amazing platform that allows you to incorporate various links on one platform. So you're going to come over here, guys, set up an account for free. However, there's an option of a paid subscription where I don't really recommend. You can do the free one. You can have various links under one URL of Linktree. After that, guys, you're going to come over, and what you're going to do, you're going to embed your link here in your account of Instagram. Don't forget, guys, traffic will be coming from Likee.Video.com, which is just booming in this time, and it's great, you know, to make your pivot on a platform which is just growing, because after a time when it blows up, you'll be like one of the veterans on the platforms. I was a bit reluctant in starting my TikTok account, and surprisingly, TikTok has grown tremendously over the period of, say, months. And I'm like saying, oh, I should have started early, but I'm still getting traffic on some of my TikTok videos, which I highly recommend that you start a TikTok account too. Start driving platforms, driving, say, traffic from different platforms. And at the end, you push them over either to your YouTube channel or your landing pages, where you can take their email address, or you can just promote things to them in different ways and manner throughout the internet. So guys, come over, start your Likey account now. After this video, after you smash a like and produce videos, come over to some of these platforms, see what people are doing, and you're going to model them, guys. You're going to create content similar to them, or even better than them, in order to go with the, say, algorithm of this new platform, so that you can get the free traffic or the paid in the future from one of these platforms. So I hope you've gotten a lot of value from this brief video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit all notification icons so you do not miss the daily content which I upload. And do not forget the giveaway, which I still have running on a weekly basis. Thank you for your support, guys, and hope to see you in these other 3 videos, which will be popping up between your beautiful eyes, that will change your mindset of making cash online, entrepreneurship, and much more. Thank you for your support, and chat with you later. Bye.